First of all, what you can see is the gate of our factory and the general appearance of our factory. This is the reception area of our factory. You can take a group photo. Our sample room is right next to it. Here we walk into the sample room. Because our factory is an assembly factory, we sell both electric scooters and electric bicycles, so the product is a little too much. These are the types of electric scooters that are in stock in our factory. This style is the one you have confirmed. You can have a look and take some photos. This is our factory reception area. On the wall are our CE, SGS and other certificates. Here is our inspection area on the first floor. When the accessories arrive at the factory, our inspection workers will take the iPad to inspect the goods here. If the accessories are unqualified, they will be returned directly on the iPad. Qualified products are transported to the second floor by elevator. And then this way through is the storage area on the first floor of our factory. Qualified products are transported to the second floor by this elevator and then hauled by trailer to our assembly line for sorting and assembly. This is our assembly area, where workers will assemble products like the assembly line, and the assembled products will be pulled to this area for quality inspection. This is our quality inspection area, where the inspection workers will carry out a strict inspection on each product, such as bell, instrument, light, handle, and other details. This is one of our packaging areas. When the quality inspection completed, goods will be pulled to this side for a comprehensive packaging. This is one of our storage areas on the second floor. Because our factory is a small factory with more than 20 employees, there is no special room for each area like a big factory. A lot of our work is completed in the same area, but we have all the necessary processes, so you don't have to worry about it.